Esophagus primarily involves its role in transporting food and liquids from the pharynx to the stomach. Below are the key aspects. 1. Structure and functional layers. Mucosa protects the esophagus and produces mucus to facilitate smooth passage of food. Submucosa contains glands that secrete mucus to aid lubrication. Muscularis propria, upper third, striated, skeletal muscle, under voluntary control. Middle third, mixed striated and smooth muscle. Lower third, smooth muscle, under involuntary control. Adventitia, outermost layer providing structural support. Manner 2, swallowing, deglutition. Oral phase, voluntary, the tongue pushes food bolus into the pharynx. Pharyngeal phase, involuntary, coordinated by the swallowing center in the brainstem. The epiglottis prevents food from entering the airway. Esophageal phase, involuntary, the bolus enters the esophagus, initiating peristalsis. 3. Peristalsis, primary peristalsis, a coordinated wave of muscular contraction initiated by swallowing. Secondary peristalsis, triggered by the presence of residual food or distension in the esophagus. The peristaltic wave moves the bolus toward the stomach at a controlled speed. 4. Lower esophageal sphincter, LES, physiology. Located at the junction of the esophagus and stomach, functions to prevent reflux of gastric contents into the esophagus. Relaxation is mediated by neural input, vagus nerve, and nitric oxide. Maintains a baseline resting tone to prevent regurgitation. 5. Esophageal motility, coordinated by enteric nervous system and modulated by the autonomic nervous system. Disorders like achalasia and diffuse esophageal spasm result from abnormal motility. Number 6, mucosal defense. The esophageal mucosa is adapted to tolerate transient acid exposure, but relies on mucus production for lubrication, rapid epithelial cell turnover for repair, bicarbonate secretion to neutralize acid. 7. Neurophysiology. Afferent nerves relay sensory information like pain, distension, and temperature. Efferent nerves control motility and sphincter function. The vagus nerve plays a significant role in coordinating esophageal function. Understanding these physiological mechanisms is essential for diagnosing and treating esophageal disorders like GERD, achalasia, and esophageal dysmotility.